Hi guys, it's Address Midshire TV, and today we'll be showing you the top telephony apps for mobile. And yes, before you ask, it's for Android and Apple. So the first one, and the one we featured quite a bit on our channel, it is the MyPABX app. If you haven't seen our in-depth video about the MyPABX app, you'll find a link to that in the description. There's a whole load of videos about this app. You'll find all of them in the description, the playlist there for you. But guys, this is that all-in-one app. You can make and receive calls, collaborate with your colleagues for group messaging, and also interact with everyone in your organization. Ideally, this app is for those who work remotely or work at different locations where using a typical handset isn't practical. The best part of this app is that you can stay connected to your colleagues and interact with your customers and clients wherever you are. The second app, and also we've spoken quite a bit of it on our channel, it is the NEC ST500 app. Again, if you haven't seen our guide to the NEC ST500 app on our channel, the link will be in the description. Go click on it if you want to see further videos on this application. The NEC ST500 app is the perfect tool for you to use if you have the NEC phone system in the office. It allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere, just like you were at the office. This app features integration to your contacts, call history, customer star code dial panel for quick dialing, hands-free mode, supports Bluetooth headset, and much more. Guys, this app is free to use for your NEC phone system. The third app we're going to talk about today is the MyConnect app. Now guys, this is an app which enhances the user experience by empowering mobile users with an agile working style. The MyConnect app aims to provide the user's mobile with the power of an actual handset, and also all the user's settings and features are easily accessible and integratable with your smartphone. There's a lot of features that the MyConnect app offers, which are access, search and calling capabilities to company directory contacts from your mobile. Caller ID, so you know who is calling with company directory contacts presented to your mobile. Visual voicemail, which allows you to view, listen and respond to every voicemail directly from the app. It allows you to dynamically choose your presented number and a lot more. The fourth and the last app we're going to talk about today is the VoIP app. Now guys, this app is perfect for those who have a Samsung phone system. It's actually pretty good, but this app is only operational with the SCM phone system and the Office Serve phone system. As most apps, the VoIP app offers a lot of features also, which are VoIP telephony functions over wireless networks. Allows you to provide VoIP telephony functions with local contacts. It allows you to store VoIP call logs. It also has a speakerphone mode. Guys, there's a lot more to this app that we haven't mentioned, but guys, you'll find all the links to all the apps in the description below. And guys, that is the end of the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe because it helps us out so much. And also guys, if you require further information, we'll be happy to help if you give us a call on 08000 322 322. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and just remember, we are the business communication experts.